Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to learn about ikhfa. Ikhfa is an Arabic word. It means to hide something. So the rule of ikhfa is if any of the following letters appear after noon sakin or tanween, ikhfa, a nasal sound equal to one alif should be made. So these are 15 letters. These are called ikhfa letters. So whenever you see any of these 15 letters after noon sakin or tanween, like here in the first example, after noon sakin there is sod, and sod is one of the above letters. So it meets the condition. So separately, this word is an and this one is salatihim. But when we will read these two words altogether, it will be according to the rules of tajweed. An salatihim. So I am putting this nasal sound. An. So this is called ikhfa. So we will do this practice on all coming examples. The next one. Min sijilin faja'alahum. Here you see that I have pulled the nasal sound in this one, this noon, and also in this one, sijilin, because the double kasra, the tanween, double kasra, double fatha, double dhamma, that is also a noon because it has a noon sound. So we will do the ikhfa on both these places. I'm going to repeat it once more. Min sijilin faja'alahum. Next one. Insanu. If I read this word insanu, that will be incorrect according to the rules of tajweed because I am skipping the ikhfa. I am not pulling the nasal sound. So I have to pull it. Insanu. This is the correct pronunciation. Next. Antum. Next. Laylatan thumma. Next. Nafsin shay'an. Nasiyatin kadhibatin. Naran dhata lahabin. Min ju'in. يومئذ تحدث كتب قيمة. Here after tanween you see the letter, the next letter is qaf, and qaf is one of the above mentioned 15 letters. So we will do ikhfa. Next. Man thaqulat. So we have completed this exercise. In all these examples, you notice that in every example after noon sakin or tanween, the next letter is one of the above mentioned these 15 letters. Okay, so all these examples meet the condition of ikhfa. So we will do ikhfa. We will pull the nasal sound related to noon sound in all these examples. So we have completed this exercise. Inshallah, see you soon with the next exercise. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.